Hello all and welcome to today's video. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery, and I also teach you how to make semi-passive income. In today's video I want to talk to you about the very start of your semi-passive income business. I want to talk to you about the 3 key steps that you need to do to start and to get a business off of the ground. It is really important that you start the business the right way if you want to be successful. And if you do not take the right steps in the beginning, you're not going to be successful on the back end. So I want to go over to the 3 key steps to starting your semi-passive income so you can get it off the ground the right way and you can start making some money. Before we get into the topic, I do want to remind you that in my description I have some great tools for you guys. The one I want to talk about up front is TubeBuddy. If you have a YouTube channel or you're thinking about starting one, TubeBuddy is a great tool that you can use to get yourself some more likes, some views, and to get more subscribers. I'm going to throw a quick video up here real quick so you guys can take a quick look at it.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
I do want to say that if you get a paid version to TubeBuddy using my link in my description, I do get commission off of it. But the great thing about TubeBuddy is you can use it for absolutely free. When you're starting with TubeBuddy, you can use it for free to start growing your likes, your views, and your subscribers. And then as your channel grows, you can get into the better and more advanced tools with a paid version to help it even more. And with that, let's get into the topic. So if you're thinking about starting a semi-passive income business online, there are a few things that you need to do up front to make sure that your business gets started the right way and that you're successful. A lot of people have the mentality that they think that they're just going to jump into the latest fad, they're just going to get into the most popular thing today and they're going to make a lot of money. And this isn't always the case, because it is something that you've got to put a lot of thought into. It's a thing that you have to do a lot of research on and planning, and you have to take steps so that you can start making some money online. So the very first thing that you've got to do to start your semi-passive income business is you've got to decide what it is that you're wanting to sell. There are so many different things that you can find to sell to people that they will buy, and you've got to decide what the right one is for you. Whether it is a physical product that you sell, a digital product that you sell, a course that you want to sell, maybe it's coaching or some type of service that you want to sell to people. You've got to take a look at yourself and you've got to take a look at your own experience and background to decide what the best thing is for you. A lot of people talk about what you're passionate about, and this is great, and this is something that you should take into consideration, but it's not the most important thing. You've got to come up with an idea based on what you know and what you've experienced and what you've researched and what your education is, so that you can find the right product that people are going to buy. Sure, passion plays a lot into it. You've got to find something that you're going to want to do long term. But maybe whatever you're passionate about isn't something that's going to sell very well, so it might not be the best thing for you to jump online to try to do. So really figure out what the product, service, digital product, course, coaching, service, figure out what it is that you can sell to make some really good money to begin with. Once you've come up with what it is that you want to sell, the second and the most important thing is you've really got to figure out who the people are that are going to buy that product, service, or digital product from you. You've really got to hone in and you've got to narrow down that group of people that you want to target that's really going to jump in and actually want to buy it. There are over 6 billion people on the planet today, and not all those people are going to be your customers. There is a subset of people, a group of people that are going to truly be interested in what it is that you are selling, and you've got to determine and figure out who those people are. You've got to figure out where they live. You've got to figure out demographically who the people are that want to buy your product or service. You've also got to determine the age group. You've got to determine what their interests are. You've got to determine what they like and what they don't like. You've got to really hone in and narrow down and create what they call an avatar of that ideal customer for you, because if you don't do this, you're not going to know where to turn to market to the people that you want to sell your products or services to. So it's really important that you define who those people are that are going to buy your products, so you know where to go to sell to them. The third and the final thing I want to talk to you about is, once you know what it is that you're going to sell and you know who it is that you're going to sell to, you want to find out where those people are. And online is really easy today to get your products and services in front of the right people if you have defined who they are, because there are different groups of people that hang out different places online. YouTube is a great place to get in front of the right people. So is Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and Snapchat and Twitter, and there's a lot of different places that you can go to sell to the people that you want, depending on who they are and what they are into. So you've really got to figure out where to find those people. And the easiest way to start doing this is to simply go online to Google and type in a search. You know, I'm going to use an example that, you know, I'm looking to, you know, sell a product, and that product that I want to sell to is to, let's say, 18 to 25-year-old males, and I can go online and search Google and see what social media platforms have the most people that fit that category, and then I can go from there and I can start figuring out how to market on that platform. So it's really important that you figure out where to find the people that are going to buy from you, so you know where to target your efforts and you know where to target your marketing to get the most bang for your buck when it comes to getting in front of the right people. So to recap what we talked about today, there are 3 important steps to starting your semi-passive income business. And the first step is to decide what the product is or service or digital product that you're going to sell. The second most important thing is to determine who is most likely to buy it. Get your niche market honed in so you know exactly who you need to sell to. And then finally, the third thing is find out where those people hang out online so that you know where to target your efforts to get your product and or service in front of the right people that are going to buy from you. So I hope you really learned a lot in today's video. It's very important that you take these steps when you're starting out so that you get your semi-passive income business on the right foot, so that you can have the best chance of making the most money. And I want to remind you, head down into my description and go grab that link for TubeBuddy if you've got a YouTube channel and you want to grow more, or you're thinking about starting one and you want a great tool to get it off the ground. I also want to say in my description I have some other great tools. Bluehost is a great place where you can start your first website if you want to get one off the ground, and they offer it to begin with for $3 to $5 a month. There's a link in my description to go check them out. I would also like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And finally, I want to say I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.